Let me ask you a question. What's the most identifiable part of your business? When you think of McDonald's, Twitter, Apple, Coca-Cola, you immediately associate their logos with their company. Even if you've never been a customer, there's no doubt which business the logo represents. In this video, you'll learn why you should have a logo for your business and also how to design your own logo for free.
Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Here are the top 5 reasons why you should create a professional logo for your business. Number 1, make a great first impression. Customers often make a decision whether they'll do business with you in the first or second encounter. Often a logo is the first thing that they see. So a well-designed logo is enough to hook a potential customer. The color, font, size, and style of the logo says a lot about your business. So you want to make sure that it represents who you are and what you stand for. Number 2, easier to build your brand. A good logo gives your business an identity and makes it easier to build your brand across different social media properties. It's also a basic foundation block that enables you to build a bigger brand. Number 3, project a professional image. If you're not a designer, it's not easy to create a professionally designed logo. Companies that use specialized software can easily transform a logo in a few clicks. If a logo has been designed effectively, it will reflect your key colors, fonts, and overall brand style in one simple snapshot. This makes it easy to use anywhere across all your marketing materials. Number 4, market your brand across all media. As you expand your business, you probably want to market your brand across various social media. This could include social media, your website, giveaways, and even printed materials. Number 5, return on investment. If your logo represents your business effectively, you'll attract the clients that you wish to reach. Therefore, a well-designed logo gives your brand credibility. On the other hand, if your logo looks tacky or unprofessional, you'll drive away potential customers. Number 6, encourages brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is one of the most sought after things in a business because once customers trust you, they'll do more business with you. Happy customers are more likely to refer their friends and family. So if you have a well-designed logo, you'll see an upturn in new and returning customers. So how can you design your own logo for free? Let me introduce DesignEvo, an easy-to-use logo design tool. Here are some of the main benefits and features of DesignEvo. Helps people easily create effective logos for their social media sites and websites. Comes with 7,000 customizable templates. Includes over 1 million fonts that are searchable. Includes hundreds of stylish fonts and shapes. Handy editing tools that make it easy to edit your logo. Available on iOS and Android devices. Here's how to quickly and easily design a free logo for your business, websites, and social media sites, including YouTube. Step 1, go to DesignEvo.com. It says discover 7,000 professional grade logo designs and gives you some examples. Why choose DesignEvo Logo Maker? 7,000 plus templates, fonts and icons, fully customizable, free to use, vector files, and it's cloud-based. Here's some examples of all the different materials you can put your design on. Step 2, click on Make a Free Logo. Here's all the categories on the left. You can also search for different templates by entering your search term in the search box. You can also click Start from Scratch at the top here. Step 3, select your category. I'm going to select Business and Finance. Step 4, select your logo. I'm going to select this one. Logo name, optional. I'm going to put DrostDesigns.com. Now we can create a slogan. You can go to the slogangenerator.co. Just enter your word in here. So I'm going to put DrostDesigns.com. Click Make a Slogan, and then we just go through different slogans. I'm going to use Have It Your Way because it speaks to the audience. So I'm going to go back to my logo design maker, put the slogan in there, and click Get Started. So here's my logo already. I can edit the texts. You try different fonts. I can use Alpha Slab 1 and shrink it a bit. Then use Passion 1 for the tagline. Or I could move it to make it your way and enlarge that, and then shrink DrostDesigns.com. Step 5, preview your logo. So you can see it on your business card, letterhead, notebook, website, t-shirt, wall. Okay, after you're satisfied with your logo, step 6, just download the logo. It says, congratulations, you just created an excellent logo. You got a time limited offer, buy your logo now and save up to 50% off, or you can download a low resolution free logo. If you download the low resolution free logo, you have to give credit to DesignEvo, and it's 500 by 500 pixel logo without the transparent background. Alternatively, you can purchase the basic option, which is a one-time fee of $24.99, and you get high resolution files, transparent PNG, edit and re-download, lifetime support, and print ready. The other option is the plus option, which is $49.99 one time, and you'll also get the vector files, download the font files, and copyright ownership. I'm just going to download the low resolution free logo. I've got to copy the code, click download, and agree. Here's the JPEG, and here's the PNG file. Now if I want to preview my logo, I can just click preview. Here's the logo on the business cards, letterhead, notebook, website, and printed materials. What if you want to animate a logo so you can use it for your video intro? No worries, just click the link in the card to watch my video on how you can animate your intro just using Keynote. Here are some important things to keep in mind when designing your logo. Number one, keep it simple. A simple logo is easier to remember than a complicated one. A great example of this is the Nike logo. When you have a simple design, it makes it easier to enlarge. It's also easier to remember a small amount of information than a large amount. Number two, use contrasting colors. Use 2 or 3 contrasting colors to make your logo stand out. Number 3, clarity of message. Avoid making your logo too complicated by delivering a clear message. A simple way to do this is to use a short tagline. For example, Nike says, "Just do it." Now you know the top benefits of designing a logo for your business and how to design a free logo using DesignEvo. Click the link in the description to design your own logo for free using DesignEvo. You're probably asking the question, how do I brand my YouTube channel? No worries, just click the link in the card to watch my video on how to brand your YouTube channel so you can attract more views and subscribers.
If you want to know how to identify what's wrong with your channel or your videos, then download my free channel evaluation worksheet below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.